Hey dear chess enjoyers! Today we'll together continue to explore the exciting chess world, diving into the deep world of opening traps. How you are do that in the title of this video. Today I will show and explain you a crazy and very fast queen with a 9 moves trap for white in the bishop's opening, with which you can completely destroy and finish your opponent after only knight moves into the game, especially if he is a chess beginner. So let's not waste time anymore and jump right into it. The bishop's opening appears after the key moves e4 and e5, followed by bishop c4, like this. Our opponent has to continue with knight f6, attacking our e4 pawn, on which we sacrifice this pawn by choosing the Italian variation of the Petrov's defense. So we play knight f3, sacrifice our pawn to our opponent's knight, on which we now continue with offering a light chess piece trade, or to be more specific, a knight trade, by developing our second knight on c3, like this. Our opponent has to accept the trade, leading to us capturing now back with our d pawn, like this, and fulfilling this light chess piece trade, also opening up the d file for our queen. So this d file opening is a really very important step in this Queenwin Trap in the bishop's opening. By the way, if you're also interested in learning more about other very fast and quick chess opening traps, then feel free, after you have finished watching this video, to of course subscribe to this YouTube channel and activate the announcement bell, and to check out the playlist linked down there in the video description, or also somewhere here above me in the info box, where you can find other short videos about very interesting opening traps that you can check out. But back to this Queenwin bishop's opening trap. Here you can see now that the black's pawn on e5 is undefended and is getting attacked by our knight on f3. And actually the best move for black and the best option would be to defend it now with f6, like this. But to defend it with f6 is not clear directly, and many players here would choose to defend it with d6, with the intention to probably also open up the diagonal for their c8 queen's bishop, like this. And what you will do now is really going to completely shock your opponent, because now on only move 6 of this chess game you sacrifice your knight by capturing the black pawn on e5, like this. And after black has captured back with his d6 pawn, fulfilling the light chess piece sacrifice, you now sacrifice your second chess piece by capturing the black pawn on f7 with your bishop with check. And here right now it's really completely over for your opponent, because after black has captured your bishop now with his king, you can just take out your opponent's queen without any problems, and yes, winning your opponent's queen on only move 8 of the chess match. Now you have an advantage of 4 pawns and you're standing in a way better position than your opponent on the chessboard. But wait. What is if black just does not capture your bishop on f7 with his king right now, but rather escapes on the only other left square, which is e7, because he wants to keep defending his now attacked queen to not lose it in the following move? Well, then you bring out your second bishop, your queen's bishop from c1 to g5 with check, now forcing your opponent's king to step away from his queen. Let's say, for example, he will now capture your second bishop on f7, on which you now take out and win your opponent's queen on only the 9th move of the game. So how you can see, it doesn't matter how exactly, but you will win the queen after the bishop sacrifice on f7. And this was already the queen with a 9 moves trap for white in the bishop's opening. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and activate the announcement bell. Leave a like if you like this video and write down there in the comments about which other chess topics you want every brand new video on this channel. Have a nice day, thanks for watching, until next time, bye!